We've been asked, how does all of this stuff fit in our van?
So if you really want to know how it does work, here's a quick glimpse.
So how does all of this stuff fit inside a T5?
So we've got the awning with, at the moment, a sun canopy up, which obviously you need very nice weather for. And it gives us privacy. We've got the toilet there. We've got a big dog there.
Yes, this 74-kilo dog also fits in the van.
If you didn't want the awning up, you just close the door like that, which is what we do in the winter. It's very cosy in there and very waterproof. And we've been through some weather and storms with it. It's been alright. We recommend that you use heavy duty tent pegs, because if you don't, sometimes you might go to places and it's hard ground and then they just get bent. This is our rock and roll bed, which we've been sleeping on. It's a lot cooler down here. Got these open and the pop top. We've not opened the window there today because it's been like late 20s hot. So the sun shining through there just make everything so much hotter. There you go. But these are great because you can't get insects, can't come in. Although you still do get insects in here from the outside. And up here we've got the pop top bed. As you can see there. Very thin mattress you can get with these, because obviously you can't. I'll just show you the mattress thickness. There. If anything thicker than that, you can't close the roof. So it's not greatly comfortable for adults. We've slept up here a few times, but I think mostly it's either for little people, I'd say, or one person, one adult, I would say, because there's not a great deal of room in there, I'd say. And obviously I feel quite claustrophobic in here, if I'm being honest. But you know what, when you've got a pop top, you can push it up and put your bedding up there and stuff in the day, because there's a big space up there. So we've got our fridge there. We've had all this converted before, so we don't have the big cupboard, although there is space inside here. There's a cupboard. We've got that. We've got pockets there, as you can see. And I'll put the lights on. Pockets, or for other things. Drink holders there. Pockets along there. Pockets in the back, which we put washing up liquid and things like that in. Nice curtains. Got a little TV there, which runs from USB. And unfortunately at the moment don't have a signal, because the aerial goes on the roof. And it's a bit potluck with that, I think. We did try, but we couldn't get anything. Obviously just get your normal Freeview channels, but we've had some really good pictures on there, and sometimes you just listen to the radio on it. So it's good. Little curtains there as well. But what we like about it is we can bring everything in and put the cooker on there. This is where we plug everything in with a USB. And that. Windscreen cover, so it stops it getting too hot or too cold. It keeps the heat in if it's cold, and obviously it's for privacy as well. No one wants to see in, and also when it's like 4 o'clock in the morning and light, you're not woken up. As you see, the chair's back up. Next job, roof down, turn the seat round.
All of these pots and pans, they have a special place as well.
So under the seat is another place to store things. Obviously this is a swivel seat, which we've turned round, and this sort of driving area ends up being a bit of a dumping ground for us. That's a sleeping bag. But you have to use up every nook and cranny in these vans.
On top of the pop-top roof, we have a solar panel, which enables us to survive without electric for about 2 to 3 days.
This cooker, you can either have it inside or outside, and that's what we like about it. It's flexibility. We can bring everything in and put the cooker on there. I love the way the dog just lays in the way.
There's a special place under there for the gas bottle if we do need to cook inside.
There it is. Roof now comes down. But first, you have to zip up these sides. What time is it?
3 o'clock.
Everything's back in its place, ready for our next journey.
So if you like that insight into our van, we think you'd like this video.
So, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.